Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to create a look. It's not really because of this palette, it's because of the colours in this palette. I feel like I want to use this colour here, and I also want to use another palette that I bought. It was expensive and I still haven't used it. I had this whole video idea I was going to use with it and it just never went through. So I'm just going to use it today. It is the Urban Decay. I don't even know what this palette is called. Yeah, I don't know what this palette is called. It doesn't exactly have a name on it, but it's a complete palette with shimmers in it, and I've not used this one bit. I have not used it at all, especially in a video, and I really want to use it today. So I want to create a purple cut crease. That's the vibe I'm going for. I really want to be dramatic today. It's been a while since I've been dramatic, and I really love my dramatic looks. Like, I love having my dramatic eyes, so I can do a little pose here and there. Don't mind me, I'm in my pajamas while I do this video today. So I'm going to create a purple eye. Right, so what I'm going to start off with, I think, I'm going to take a little bit of cookie dough here. This is the Extra Spice by Soap X. This is the newer palette. I'm going to take cookie dough, which is a lighter brown. I'm going to put that on my eye. My eye is already primed and ready to go. I'm going to put this almost pushing it into the socket, but I also want to put it on the brow bone here, and I want to blend it out. This is my starting colour, just so that everything looks really nice and buffed out. Now I'm going to take the colour here, which is called Mulled Wine, which is a really nice fuchsia matte. So I'm going to start here from the outer corner and then blend that through, just almost where I put that cookie dough before. We're going to be layering a lot of colours today. And then taking that cookie dough and blending that back in to blur out those edges, just to soften them up here. Don't worry about what's actually on the lid here. It doesn't really matter because we're doing a cut crease. We're going to be concealing most of that out anyway. I'm going to take the shade here, which is a darker purple. This is called Enchanted, on a smaller brush. I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to start to basically create a blueprint. There's another word for it, but create a almost stencil for where I'm going to cut the crease. Because obviously I'm going from like a lighter purple to a darker purple. We're kind of creating an ombre. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take some concealer. This is the Conceal and Define by Makeup Revolution. And I'm going to take a little bit of that and my concealer brush. And I'm going to begin to carve out a crease. So because of the fold in my eye, I'm going to go slightly above it, so that when I look at you dead straight, you can still see the crease. The crease doesn't hide underneath the fold of my eye. So I'm going to do it slightly above the little crease, the cut here. Okay, so from this point here, I'm going to set this area so that it doesn't crease. Just brush that away. It doesn't really matter if you lose the purple because you're going to build it up regardless, so I just want to set this concealed area here. Okay, so taking a smudger brush, I'm going to take that same dark Enchanted shade on it, and I'm going to start to build up the crease. I want it to be more defined. I want to see it. So I'm kind of going to brush it upwards. Taking that same dark purple, I'm going to start putting it on the outer corner of my eye here. we're connecting it to the cut crease right here. And to soften up that part right there, I'm going to take that light colour mulled wine, that lighter fuchsia, and I'm just going to blend that into there. I'm going to run that same enchanted shade, which is the darker purple, right under my eye. I'm going to take this colour here, which is called Punk Rock. This is from the Urban Decay palette. I actually have no idea what the name is. Beauty with an Edge eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I have no idea what this is called. But I'm going to take this colour here. It's called Punk Rock. These are all shimmers. So if you do find a shimmer palette like this, it's that one. And it's called Punk Rock right here. I'm going to start off with the brush dry, because if I use my fingers, one, I've got nails, two, I don't want to mess up the cut crease. So I'm going to take a brush first, a dry one. If I feel like it needs to be wet, I will wet it. Now this is just going into the cut crease section. Let me just wet the brush a little. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I'm going to use this topper. It is the what is this called? Changeling. This is called Changeling. This is a Topshop eyeshadow. I think this might be discontinued. I used this in makeup school a lot. I loved these. Oh, it was actually Shuffle the Cards. This was the one that I wanted as well, because it has more of a purple reflect in it, like a purple, blue, green reflect. And I want to add this on top so it gives it more of a shine, a shimmer, something more eye-catching. Because right now it looks like everything's blending together. It looks kind of dull, so I want to make it come out a little bit more. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to use this as a topper for the shimmer. Okay, so I want to add some glitter to the cut crease line just to sharpen it up. Instead of, you know, you kind of lose it, or I kind of lost it, because I don't really want to darken it up anymore. I just want to add some glitter to it so that it looks a little bit more vibrant, more shimmery, more shiny. So I'm going to use the Kiko glitter eyeliner in 01. This is a really nice, almost multicolored glitter, and I'm going to apply it to the cut crease line right here. And I'm just going to stop it right where the shimmer ends. Okay, so I'm going to put the Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense in 18 Intense Black Honey in my waterline. It literally matches with what's on my eyes, so I'm just going to put that in my waterline. I'm going to add some highlighter to the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. I'm going to use the I Heart Makeup Goddess of Love highlighter for inner corner and under the arch of my eyebrow. I want to take some of that mulled wine again, and I want to lightly run that under my eye as well. So I'm going to use the Nada lashes by Pinky Goat. They're like mink looking lashes. So once I finish applying my lashes, you'll see the entire finished look. Alright, so yeah, that's it. There's lots of glitter flying around right now because I just sprayed my entire upper half with glitter, because you know your girl's going to take some photos later and I want that glitter to stand right out. So yeah, this is the final look. I really wanted to go glam today. I'm just feeling the mood. I wanted to take some nice pictures. I wanted to post on the gram. I just want a new display picture. So yeah, I've decided to freaked myself out. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything you want to see, please let me know down below. I read it all. I reply to literally, or I believe almost every comment that's posted. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.